Everest Base Camp helicopter tour is one of the luxury holidays in Nepal to explore the Mount Everest Base Camp and observing the tallest mountain from the different angle through the nearest point, as well as it is one of the most memorable lifetime adventure trip and worth for those travelers who are physically and timely unable to reach the Mount Everest Base Camp, 5,364 meters. EBC Helicopter Tour offer beautiful Himalayan views including 5 above 8,000 meters mountains, Mount Everest, 8,848 meters, Mount Lhotse, 8,516 meters, Mount Maklu, 8,463 meters, Mount Cho Oyu, 8,201 meters, and Mount Shishapangma, 781 meters, 8,013 meters, with 28 snowy capped mountains of Khumbu, doable within 5 hours from Kathmandu. The helicopter take off from Kathmandu, fueling at Lukla, then directly heading to EBC, and 10 minutes landing at Kalapathar, which is best and nearest viewpoint center of this trip. You will have 30 minutes time for breakfast at 5-star Everest View Hotel. We Himalaya Journey Trekking arrange Everest helicopter trip, private and group joined basis trip around the year. For details, log on www.himalayajourneys.com or call WhatsApp 985-100-7829 24 hours.